Hello my dear students, welcome back to the next session of Social Studies. Today we are going to start with a new chapter, chapter number 5, Work We Do. Now, why do we work? We work to earn our livelihood. We need money in order to have a good lifestyle. So everybody needs to work. Not only for having a good lifestyle, but why we work for our family so that we can give all the happiness to our family. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about earning money to meet our needs, and we are going to learn about different kinds of occupation. Now before starting the topics, let us do a warm-up session. Look at the needs of the people. Color the bubbles for the needs you cannot fulfill without money. So we all know that people have different kinds of needs. So now in this bubbles you have to color the sentence, the bubbles, where you cannot fulfill your needs without money. Now I need a new school uniform. So, do you think that a uniform can be bought without money? Of course not. We need money in order to buy a new school uniform. So, we need to color this. So, color very carefully. You can use different colors. So see, I have colored this bubble. Now let us see the next sentence. I am hungry. Hello, Mr. Shopkeeper. I need a sandwich. Now, do you think the shopkeeper will give you the sandwich without money? Of course not. So you have to color this. Next, I need some fresh air. So, we cannot buy air. So, that means here money is not needed. Next, I need a swimming costume. So, for buying swimming costume also we need money. So, color the bubble. Next, the house is in bad condition. We need to repair it. So, in order to repair the house also we need money. So, let's color it. Okay. So, the activity is finished. Through this activity we came to know that we have to earn money to fulfill our needs. Next, our needs. Food, clothing and shelter are our basic needs. To fulfill these needs, we need money. To earn money, people do different types of work. A type of work that people do to earn money and make a living is called an occupation. So everybody knows that food, clothing and shelter are our basic needs. Without it, we cannot survive. And in order to, if we need all these things, what we have to do? We need to work. And after working only, we can earn money and then fulfill our needs. So there are different types of work people do. People doesn't only engage in one or the other work. They do different kinds of work, and that type of work is known as occupation. Now let's see the types of occupation. Different people do different kinds of work. Their choice of work depends on their needs what they can do, what they want to do. So we know that people have different kinds of work, and each and every work is different. People work out of their needs, people work of their choice, and people also work what they can do. Like if a person is skillful, then he or she can use his or her talent and earn. Now there are also people who need to work in order to look after the family, and there are also people who wants to work for having a better future. So work is dependent on people's choice. Some people are skilled in farming, some other may be good at doing woodwork, so they choose carpentry. Now what is carpentry? Carpentry means people who does the furniture works, who design the furnitures like chairs, tables, bed, and they do different woodwork also. Then some other may like to teach, so they may choose to work as teachers. Fishing, farming, and mining are some of the most common occupations in India. So we can see that there are types of occupations. People are skillful. They use their talents and they earn. They do the work. Then there are also people who likes to do the woodwork. If they are good in drawing, if they are a creative, then they go for furniture work, because in furniture work they can create and they can make different kinds of woodwork. Now in India, the most common occupation here is fishing, farming, and mining. Now, one by one, we'll see on this occupations. The first is farming. We know that in India, the main occupation of the people of villages is farming. A large number of people live in villages. Farming is the main occupation of people living in villages. Farmers work in the fields to grow different crops. They grow food grains, sugarcane, vegetables, fruits, cotton, jute, tea, coffee, spices, etc. on their farms. So farmers here they grow different types of crops, and they also grow sugarcane. They also grow different kinds of vegetables, fruits. Then the people who are from the coastal areas, what they do, they grow tea. They have a tea. They go for tea plantations. Not only in coastal regions, the people who belong from Assam also, they have a tea plantations. Then and we can see in the South Indian regions, they go for coffee plantations also. Then spices also we can see in the southern region. Next, poultry farming and dairy farming. Now what is poultry farming? Poultry farming means the people who keeps animals and birds for the earning is known as poultry farmings. Now what is dairy farming? Dairy farming means people who keeps animals for milk and milk products. Is those people go for dairy farming. Now let's see. Some farmers do not grow crops. They rear animals and birds on their farms. These animals and birds give them many things. The farming practice in which animals are kept on farms for milk and milk products is called dairy farming. The farming practice in which birds are kept on farms for eggs and meat is called poultry farming. The farmers sell these things in the market to earn money. So, farmers who keeps animals for the production of milk and for the production of milk is known as dairy farming, and also farmers who keeps birds for eggs and meat, it is known as poultry farmings. And why they keep? They keep in order to sell them and earn a good amount of money for a better livelihood. Now there is a picture. In this picture we can see the different uses of these animals. Why do people keep these animals? The first is, you can see like in the box, clothes made of wool protect us from cold in winter. Now clothes made of wool, everybody knows that from where do we get wool? We get wool from the sheep. The sheep gives us wool, and we use in order to keep ourselves warm in the winter season. Next, cows and buffaloes give milk. Milk and its products keeps us healthy and fit. Chickens and ducks give eggs. Sheep gives wool. Cows and buffaloes give milk. Milk and its products keeps us healthy and fit. Chickens and ducks give eggs. Sheep give wool. And when sheep gives wool, what is the use of wool? The wool protects us from cold in winter. Next, fishing. Now, fishing is the main occupation of people who live in the coastal areas. Coastal areas means we can take the example of Kerala, as well as we can take the example of Maharashtra. These are our coastal areas. So, their main occupation is fishing. The fish are processed, tinned and sent to the markets. Fish is an important source of food and oil. Now, the fish fishes which are rich in omega 3, okay, fishes which are rich in omega 3, this helps us to fight many diseases. Like if the person is going under some depression, so this omega 3 which is present in the fishes like tuna fish, or you can say salmon, these fishes are rich in omega 3, and omega 3 helps to fight against depression and to fight against any mental disorders. And from the fish we also get oils, okay. So it works as a food as well as it works as a oil supplements also. Understood? Next, mining. Now what is mining? Mining means the digging of minerals from the ground. We get minerals from the ground. And then what is the usage of minerals? Some people live in areas that are rich in minerals like iron, coal, mica and petroleum. The main occupation of such people is mining. Mining is an act of digging out important minerals from the ground. So, minerals which are rich in iron, coal, mica and petroleum. People, what they do? They dig the ground and take out the minerals. And from there, they take out the important metals. From the minerals, they take out the important metals and convert it into iron, or you can say iron and steel. And what is the usage of there are two types of metal, that is iron and steel. Now what is the purpose of iron and steel? We can see it is used for making buildings, it is used in the construction. Then we can also see that metal is used for making coins as well. So minerals, people what they do, they take out the minerals by digging the ground, and from there what they do, they sell and then they earn the money. In this way they start a better life. Now in the box we can see that the largest fish ever caught was the whale. So the largest fish people caught was the whale. Metals are made from minerals. Metals are useful to us in many ways. Iron and steel are two types of metal. They are used to build bridges, buildings and ships. Coins are also made out of metals from the ground. Next, working in forest. There are also people who works in the forest. Some areas in a country have forest. People living or near these areas collect wood, gum, honey, rubber and herbs from the trees in the forest. They sell these things for money in the market. These things are turned into furniture, paper, matchsticks and many more. So people who are working in forest, what they do? They cut the wood, then they also collect honey. They also go for rubber plantations, and they sell in the market. By selling in the market, what they earn? They earn money. And when to whom they sell? Actually, they sell in the factories. Then after selling in the factories, what they do? They go for a long process. Like from the wood, they can make furniture, they can make paper, they can make matchsticks and many other things. We can make out of the wood. Same likewise, the rubber plantation. What we get from the rubber plantation, we get the eraser, we get the gum, isn't it? And we also see many different kinds of herbs. Herbal products are also made out of this herbs, which is very good for each and everybody. Now let us move to the activity. Match the things with their primary source and the occupation involved. Now these are the things, these are the primary source from where we get, and these are the occupation, who does it. Now things, we can see the picture of egg. From where we get the egg? We get from the chicken. Chicken is the primary source. And who does the farming? It is by the poultry farmers. Next, milk. What is the primary source of milk? From where we get? We get from the cow. The cow gives us milk. Then who does the farming? The dairy farmers does the farming. Next, fish oil. From where do we get the fish oil? We get from the fish. Who does the farming? The fishers. The fishers does the farming, fishing. Next, we can see the picture of metals. Some coins are there. So coins are, we get coins from the metal. And who does the process? It is done by the process of mining. Next we can see the picture of matchstick. From where we get the matchstick? We get from the tree. And from where we get the tree? It is worked in the forest. The people who works in the forest, they sell the things and then they earn the money. Out of the tree we get the matchstick. Now let's move on to the next topic. Now there are also other occupations. In towns and cities, people mostly work in offices, shops and factories. Painting, writing, singing and tailoring are examples of some other occupations people do. Many people also work in banks, schools and hospitals. Okay, now the people who lives in the town, who stays in towns and cities, they will not do farming and they will not choose for other occupations also. They go to the offices, they go to schools, they go to hospitals, and some who are very talented in their who are also very talented. What they do, they go for painting, they go for singing, they go for music, and who are very good in stitching, what they do, they go for tailoring. So these are some of the occupations where the people who lives in towns and cities, they do it. Now let us move on to the next activity. Activity 2. Look at the people, identify their occupation. Now, few I have written for you. The next you have to do it by yourself. I report news. I am a dash. So you have to write the answer. I decide cases in the court. I am a lawyer. I write storybooks for children. I am a author. I treat your pet when it is sick. I am a dash. The people who treats your pets like for dog, cats or any of your pet animals. If they are not well, who looks after them, who treats them? You have to write the answer. I play music on the radio. I am a dash. I plan and design buildings. I am an the people who designs the buildings, who plans and design the buildings, they are known as architecture. Next, today what are the topics we covered? An occupation is a job that we do to earn money. So, understood. In rural India, farmers practice farming, dairy farming and poultry farming. Right. Fishing is a main livelihood in the coastal areas, very true. Mining is mainly practiced in areas which are rich in minerals, true. In towns and cities, people work in offices, shops and factories. Yes, I understood. Now, let's move on to the exercises. First is filling the blanks. We must have an occupation to fulfill our basic needs. So, each and everybody should have an occupation in order to meet their basic needs. Fishing is the main occupation of people living in the coastal areas. While cows produce milk, sheep gives us wool. Coins are made of metal. In towns and cities, many people work in offices. Next, we have choose the correct answers. The main occupation of a country is dash. Options are teaching, farming, tailoring, singing. So, what is the main occupation of a country? It is farming. Which of these is an animal product? Gum, rubber, paper, wool. So, out of this, which is the animal product? It is wool. We get wool from the sheep. Which of the following do we get from fish? Options are oil, wool, milk, cotton. So, we get oil from the fish. The fishes which are very rich in omega-3. Dash is an act of digging out minerals from the earth. Options are fishing, mining, farming, tailoring. So, how do we get minerals? There is a process. The process name is mining. Metals are needed to make dash. Shoes, cheese, coins, paper. So, Coins are made, the answer is coin, it is made out of metals. Next, move on to match the following. Dairy farming. Dairy farming means farming of milk and milk products. So the answer is milk and milk products. Poultry farming. Poultry farming means the farming of eggs and meat. Mining. Mining means digging minerals out of the ground. And what we get after we dig the minerals from the ground, we get metals. Walking in forest. What is the result when people are walking in forest? The answer is furniture. Farming. So what is the result of farming? It gives us grains. Not only grains, it also gives us sugarcane, it also gives us fruits and vegetables. So that's all for today. Next time we'll meet with the next lesson. Till then, take care and thank you.